So where have you brought us today then?
We're at Mortehoe Village. We're going to walk to Morte Point.
Are we?
Yep. So we're going to look around the village first.
I haven't researched this
Luckily
yet.
enough, no, that was me that did the research. It's only 2.7 miles away from our campsite.
Lovely.
So,
Right, we're going to have a little look.
Yep.
There's a nice little post office down here.
and
We'll have a
the
look.
sun is trying to come out. It's been raining all morning and it's been really drizzly.
A little car
So-
park here, £3.30 for 3 hours.
Yep.
And that's right in the village, so we're going to have a walk through the village first, aren't
Yeah, that's got very good write-ups in Google. Most people give it 5 stars.
we? Alright,
Yeah. Okay.
let's go.
That's what we want. Go to the park. That looked like fancy dress clothes. Didn't it? Yeah. Fish and chips. Gonna check the menu. Brilliant.
That's a bit blowy up here.
Just a tad.
Lovely view there, here, Sue.
Yes, a mile walk to Morte Point.
Okay.
This is the coastal path.
Yeah.
Be able-bodied, it said,
Yeah, able-bodied
and good shoes.
and have a good thick layer on.
Yeah, so
bit
we're all
chilly.
ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Still climbing up a hill here, so we're hoping that when we get to the top, we are in a field full of sheep, and so we're having to watch where we walk. But and the dogs are on leads because Sophie's going to go off in a minute. She loves sheep and horses. Oh, speak to the devil. Lovely.
Yeah.
Nice views.
Better the styles.
Yeah.
All sorts of ways to come down to it, isn't there?
There's nothing quite like a coastal path, and there's nothing quite like North Devon coastal path. It is quite a cloudy, windy day today, but we don't regret a moment of it. It's stunning up here. Let me show you from this point what I can see. So what do you think of that then?
I don't say the normal word.
Is it lovely?
Spectacular.
It is. I think you're close on it.
Got to find the Morte Point.
Okay.
We're still,
It's a little bit
we're not
blowy,
far from it.
but
Hoping to see some sea.
we're loving the white water down here, aren't we, Sue? Let's have a look at this.
Fabulous.
We're going downhill now. See if we can get closer to the water. Bit slippery, so I'll just switch the camera off for a minute. That's where we're heading down here. Very slippery, I almost went over then. I'm just gonna concentrate on the path. Well, we got as far as the point. It's very blowy up here and quite dangerous behind me, so we're not going to continue round the path that way. There's a lot of rock falls and it's very slippery with the rain that we've just had. The sun is breaking through, so I think we could have a nice evening. But we're going to go back, take the path that we came down on, and then go onto the lower path nearer the sea, a bit further round, and make our way back to the village. So we'll give you a quick look at what's this side of the point, and then we'll walk back. So over in the distance there is Willingcott Bay, Willingcott Beach. As you can see, the weather has closed in a bit. Hey?
It's not raining now.
I know.
It's coming.
Yeah, I know. Well, we're coming back along a low road, and behind me is Willingcott Beach, and the sun's come out. We've got blue sky now. Amazing what an hour can difference can make. We're just watching the shepherd come down the hill there on his little 4x4, little quad bike. And he's got a dog with him as well. Quite sure which path is going to take them. The sheep are well ahead of the dog. We've had to move out of the way quickly because the sheep are coming. We suddenly found ourselves in a flock of sheep. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. We found ourselves in a flock of sheep there for a minute. But the farmer's got them. They're over the hill. They're gone up the hill now. Well, we're almost back from our long walk now. Haven't had the excitement of the sheep and the farmer. And well, up the hill here is the village that where we started. So we'll just wander back, and I think Sue talked about getting a cup of tea, so I'm not sure whether we will or whether we'll go back to the motorhome now. It's getting sort of late afternoon, it's about 5 o'clock, so nearly time for us to get back for the evening really. But we'll see how we get on when we get back to the village.